How to add music to a video on iPhone or Mac using iMovie. For iPhone, open iMovie, download it from App Store if you don't have it. Open it, create project, select your video, then create movie. If you want to decrease the sound, then tap on sound button and decrease the audio level. Otherwise, click on detach, then delete. Tap plus icon and back to audio or voiceover. Then select your music to add. Tap on done. Now share it or save the video. Open iMovie, create a new project, import media, select media, then press E or drag the media to workflow. Right or control click, then detach audio, delete it. Now click audio, select your music or drag music file from music library. Now control your audio level. Now click on share icon to share or export. That's all. Hope it is help you. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.